Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and review the HAVELLS Glamax 9-watt smart bulb, so let's get started. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel as it means a lot to us. I bought this bulb for Rs $3.99 from Flipkart. Here you can see the box mentioning all its features, but I am not going to repeat all this and make a boring video, whereas I am going to give the practical approach of how the bulb is working and show you the pairing procedure and if I face any difficulties regarding this. As you can see here, the bulb looks something like this, and I personally do like the shape of it as it looks quite classy compared to a simple round-shaped bulb. Firstly, I am going to download the Digi Tap app from Play Store as I own an Android phone. Here you can see the app which I am installing. As long as the app is being installed, let's also get the product manual by scanning the QR code from the box. This is the manual PDF file available online, which is a good thing to save valuable paper. And from this manual, you can easily understand the pairing procedure and all. Now, let's check out the app. Firstly, we need to sign up in the app, which is quite basic, by providing the email ID, which I am going to do now. After registering in the app, we need to add our device in the app, which I am going to do manually as you can see here. The pairing is not as convenient as it may seem to be. I know every first user of this product has faced issues with pairing or connecting with the product. The reason is that we all thought we can directly connect our phone with this bulb Wi-Fi, but we need a broadband Wi-Fi or our phone as a hotspot to connect to the bulb. And then we need another phone in which we have to install Digitap app, and we have to connect this phone to the same hotspot network, which is not at all convenient. Having gone through all this inconvenience of pairing, the device is finally added in the Digitap app. Now the app interface is something like this. Here I would say that the interface of the app is pretty ordinary, which is quite expected from the low rating it has on Google Play Store. From this app we can adjust the color and the brightness of the bulb as you can see in the video. The transition of different colors is quite smooth, and it also has the options of various themes which you can select or create your own theme depending on your mood and preference. The bulb has a maximum retail price of Rs $19.99, and I would not recommend you to go for it at such a high price. I think you can buy the product only if you get it below Rs 500 considering all its flaws. The pairing procedure and occasional disconnection is really a pain in the ass. This was my review on HAVELLS Glamax Smart Bulb, and if you found this video helpful and feel that your time was not wasted, then please consider subscribing to our new channel. Thank you for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next one.